Hey guys, today I brought something special for you guys. This is the Samsung Galaxy A50 and this is a beast phone, and this phone has a Infinity U display and a triple camera setup on the back and also a on-screen fingerprint scanner. Okay, so in today's video I'll be doing the unboxing of this phone. So let's get into the unboxing. If you are new to my channel, then please go down below and click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss a beat. If you like the video, hit the like button. Well, my name is Happy Thomas and welcome to my YouTube channel RPG. Hey guys, here I got the Samsung Galaxy A50 in a nice beautiful box. You can see the main specs are written on the back, the Infinity U display and triple camera setup on fingerprint scanner and 4G LTE. Yeah, of course the new phones have 4G, and also now the 5G is coming. 5G came on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, S10 5G, and 6.4-inch full rectangle full HD plus Super AMOLED display, and the camera on the rear is 25 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 8 megapixel triple rear camera, and 25 megapixel front camera, and 128 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, now let's open the box. Yeah, I cut it. I opened the box and you can see here the nice beautiful glory gorgeous Samsung Galaxy A50. Yeah, keep it aside. And now let's look what's inside this thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This some kind of instruction manuals, warranty cards, and also a nice, beautiful, transparent rubber case for this A50 from Samsung. Yeah, now let's take the phone out. You can see this. It's a nice, beautiful back, shiny back. Okay, let's keep it aside and now look what's inside this. Yeah, you are getting a 25-volt fast charger with this. You can see here, and a USB-C cable and a earphone, and this, and you are getting a SIM card tray opening stuff. Okay, let's keep this thing aside and now let's take the phone out, and you can see here the design is very unique. The triple camera setup on the here and the shiny back. You can see the rainbow colors coming from the back. Yeah, now let's turn it on. Yeah, this is equipped with the Dolby Atmos also. You can see the speaker right here, Dolby Atmos speaker. No, not Dolby Atmos speaker. You can connect the headphones to it and use it as a Dolby Atmos system. Yeah, you can hear front camera right here, 25 megapixel one. Yeah, the fingerprint on is on here inside the screen. Now let's put it up. Yeah, look at these guys, what a nice. Wow, you can see this, and this is super thin also. You can see here, super thin, and the headphone jack is on the bottom. I have booted up the phone and skipped the startup process, and you can see here the Samsung's new One UI is really gorgeous and really smooth and fast. You can see here, and I have registered on a fingerprint. You can see here it is really fast, and you can see the face recognition also fast. And this phone is running on the Exynos 9610 processor, which is really fast for gaming and for other purposes. And it is also equipped with the Bixby, which most of the people hates, but I love this thing because it is really good. Yeah, I need to update the Bixby. And the app opening speed of this phone is really fast. You can see here the camera itself is really fast, and the phone, yeah, really fast.
and you're getting a game launcher option also, which you can increase the power of and the performance of the games. And it is, you can see here it's speaker, you can see below there is a speaker here, and a USB-C port and a headphone jack, and also a speaker. And you'll see be on the back three real cameras. I will turn on the camera, and you can see here the camera is really good, and also the ultra wide, you can see the ultra wide, and also many options like the live focus option, the pro mode, and panorama, and also video, slow motion, and hyperlapse. Yeah, this Bixby option. Yeah, and the selfie camera is really great, 25 megapixel one, really awesome. And the speaker quality also is very good, you can see. Yeah, I'll play a song to, yeah, really the internet connection. What they talk about in movies, our love is what they talk about. What they talk about, yeah, we were wild and free. You can see the sound is really crazy awesome, and the quality of the screen also very good. Yeah, that's pretty all in today's video. I'll be putting a full review of this phone in the next video, so keep subscribed to my channel. And if you want to know anything about this phone, I'll comment below and I will try to explain in the next video. Yeah, so that's all in today's video. I'll be back with another video. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, then share your love by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you guys won't miss any more updates from this channel. If you like the video, hit the like button. See you in the next one, and I will catch you in the next one. Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.